Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Flip 6 and I'm gonna check how loud is this speaker. So on my right side there's this decibelometer that I'm gonna use and set up to the maximum volume mode. And right now this device is going to register only the highest volume level than the previous one. Of course I'm gonna set the maximum volume level on the phone and the same with the speaker. Okay, it's already the highest volume level as you can hear. So let's put the speaker like that and let's start the test. Let's go. Okay, so that's it for this video. As you can see, the JBL Flip 6 reached 107.6 decibels. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.